Attorney General candidate Nathan Hochman is rolling through the state this week on a bus tour, hoping to win your vote.
ABC 10's Morgan Rynor covers all things politics. And Morgan, you spoke to him today. Homicides are up 7% across the state in just the last year. So what's his plan to tackle crime?
Chris and Laura, the bus tour is called Experience Matters because Hochman says that's what he's got. Whereas he says Bonta, the current attorney general, has no experience working with law enforcement before becoming attorney general.
Rolling into the Capitol, Nathan Hochman says he's ready to be California's chief law enforcement officer.
I have 30 years of experience in criminal justice issues, from being a federal prosecutor, a U.S. Assistant Attorney General, and a defense attorney.
What's Hochman's plan?
So let me start with the illegal guns. California somewhat uniquely has a list called the Armed Prohibited Persons System List. On that list are people who are convicted of crimes that are not allowed to have guns. There's over 26,000 people right now on that list, a list that has only grown under the last year of Rob Bonta's stewardship.
Hochman vowed to clear the list and remove guns from people who aren't supposed to have them within 18 months of taking office. He also wants to work with lawmakers to reform Proposition 47, which voters passed in 2014 to make anything stolen valued at under $950 a misdemeanor instead of a felony.
In fact, Democrats have even come up with ways to do it. And one of the interesting ways that works on the back of 47, it says that if you commit a series of these property thefts under $950, the second or third one becomes a felony.
The Public Policy Institute of California said from 2019 to 2021, gun-related homicides and aggravated assaults surged by 52 and 64%. Governor Gavin Newsom fights back on the crime narrative, though, saying red states are the ones with the murder problem.
You should draw a comparison to California itself. And let me give you the statistics that Gavin Newsom wants to avoid. 2014 was considered one of California's safest years.
Hochman said relaxing crime laws have led to the state's steady decline in safety.
But this is an incredible state. The question is, can we bring in leadership to get us back to where we were just 8 years ago?
I did a quick lightning round of questioning with Hochman. Do you support abortion rights? Do you believe in climate change? Did you vote for President Trump? Issues that a state as blue as California, they care about. He said he's always been pro-choice, does believe in the impacts of climate change, and has never voted for Trump.
Now, considering that, what did Bonta have to say, Morgan?
Bonta's team has not responded to my email yet, and Hochman has offered to debate Bonta many times now, and so far, nothing has been scheduled. And for more of my discussion with Hochman, you can head to abc10.com.
All right, sounds good. Morgan, thank you.
The general election is November 8th, and your vote will help decide national, state, and local races, and as well as ballot measures. But before you vote, we want to make sure you have all the information and resources you need to feel confident in your vote this election season. So just scan that QR code right there on your screen with your phone's camera, or go to abc10.com/politics to let us know what election questions we can answer for you.